I want to show you a bit about another brand new tool inside of Map My Customers, alert badges. This was created to give you an easy visual look at which accounts need some TLC. This was possible already with our cadences feature, which would tell you when accounts go over a certain frequency of days that you would like to interact with them, as well as some of our other alerts around activities. But this really just brings it all together in terms of identifying exactly where you need to be in your territory. And so I want to walk you through what this will look like. So I've got on the map here what my territory looks like inside of Map My Customers today, but now I can actually click this alert badges icon in the bottom toolbar, toggle it on, and what you're going to notice right away is those accounts that need some attention, right? Those are denoted with the red, yellow, and blue badges on the corner of these pins. And so I can quickly identify here that I've got to spend some time in the northern midtown part of Manhattan. And I can actually toggle on and off these different alerts, right? So I can actually say, well, just show me the ones that have an upcoming cadence, because these ones are going to be the ones that I might want to get out in front of, right? They're not totally overdue, but they're about to be. And I can see right here that this account has a cadence overdue in a day. So I actually know that I need to go see it very soon. So that's one way to be proactive about it. If you're already behind, of course, we've got the overdue activity / out of cadence icon, and those will appear right here as well. And so you can see just how quick and easy it is to visualize where you should be spending time in your territory. And this is just at the city level. Imagine using this to canvas your entire territory inside of Map My Customers. So the sky is the limit with this feature. Very easy to use, mobile, web. Just love the heck out of it.